This is a review of the Dramm ColorStorm Oscillating Sprinkler. And this is just a real good, sturdy, basic oscillating sprinkler. I'm going to share with you the things I really like about it, some things that maybe could be improved, and let you make the decision as to whether this is the right sprinkler for you. One thing I really like about this sprinkler is that it is all metal. It is sturdy, it is built to last. The metal parts are powder coated. It comes in 6 different colors, so you can have your choice of what you want. Beyond that, it's just a very basic metal pipe essentially with emitters in it, and the water comes out of these. One of the nice things about this, which I'm not seeing with a lot of the more recent plastic models, is that it has this. It's kind of like a needle, except it's plastic, I guess, of some sort. And this is used to unclog any of the emitters that might have gotten clogged up by dirt or grit or sand or whatever that has come through the sprinkler. Just make sure that you keep that nice and tight. In the end, you don't want to lose that piece, because without it, water's going to come flowing out the end of your sprinkler. Some of the other features here, it has a flow adjustment knob here from high to low flow. The downside here is it does not turn off. So this is always going to be flowing. If you need to turn it off to make any adjustments, you've got to go back to the spigot to do that. The other thing is it will adjust how far over it goes just by moving these levers. So you can have it all the way on one side, all the way on the other side, in the middle, or any combination of those. So it'll be fine for just about any shape you want. The one feature that's missing from this adjustment is it does not allow you to adjust the width this way. So this model is fixed. It'll only go out a certain distance, and you can't make it go like this. The connector where it attaches to the hose, it's metal on the inside here and kind of a rubberized material on the outside, which makes it a lot easier to grasp when you're trying to attach it to the hose. It's got a nice rubber washer and a screen to prevent dirt or grit from getting into the sprinkler. Like any type of oscillating sprinkler, there are some limitations to this. It is good for a lawn, for example, a rectangular lawn. If you've got a round or pie-shaped piece of property, obviously this is not going to be the best choice. Also, because these tend to go fairly high, you do have problems with wind, where it can blow it off away from the area that you're trying to water. And also, again, because it does go pretty high, you're going to have issues with evaporation. So these, although they put out quite a bit of water, don't always water your lawn with as much water as you might expect. We did a few tests with this to see how much water it actually put out. And after 15 minutes with rain gauges at 5, 10, 15, and 25 feet away from the sprinkler, we didn't actually get any water in the rain gauges. Now, that's not necessarily because no water was hitting the ground, but because the rain gauges were probably in the space between where some of the streams of water were coming out. So, coverage, it's not going to be a consistent coverage everywhere with any oscillating sprinkler, not just with this one. And there you have it. That's the Dramm ColorStorm Oscillating Sprinkler. It's excellent quality, built to last, fairly basic oscillating sprinkler. If you like this review, don't forget you can subscribe. There's a button right down there below. We have a ton of other lawn sprinkler videos to help you choose the best one for you. You can also read a detailed review over at gardeningproductsreview.com. Bye for now. Oh my God, it got me in the ear.